What is up, guys? So, obviously, Dorothy, we're not in Kentucky.
We're not?
It is the middle of December and we are in shorts and short sleeves, so that must mean we are deep south for the winter. Actually, we're in Florida right now, guys. But that does not mean that we have shown you everything that Kentucky has to offer. So, I think we're going to show you the Louisville Slugger factory and museum today.
So because of the privacy of how they make their products, their bats, we weren't allowed to record during the actual tour, but we did get a little bit of content for you of everything else.
I guess when you're making baseball bats for the World Series and all, they don't want you recording how they make them. What kind of sense does that make? But no, really, we do understand, but we did get some really cool pictures, some really pretty neat video. I mean, I got to hold Ivan Rodriguez, Pudge Rodriguez baseball bat. I was a Rangers fan when I was a kid. Who did you get? No, we're not going to say who Heather got to hold. Whose bat did you get to hold?
I've always said it was going to be my husband, my future husband, and it just became a little bit closer. I got to hold his bat. So Jarek Dieter.
You can see how awestruck she is by him. Yes, Jarek Dieter, if you see this video, please comment below. I think that should be his name. I would like to call him that.
Moving on.
I am not a Yankees fan.
Okay. I got to hold Derek Jeter's bat, and I have been a Yankees fan for a long time. I'm not as big into baseball anymore, but for a long time I was, and I loved him. So that was really cool to get to hold his bat.
So, if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you've seen these pictures. But there's some other videos that we got, a little bit of stuff that we could see, we could show you guys and actually video. Guys, this was a lot of fun for us. I remember telling one of the employees there at the museum when I was in high school, right out of high school before I went in the Army, I worked for a moving company. And we had a job one time that went from Wyoming to Kentucky, and I remember when we drove through Kentucky, through Louisville, we saw this factory from the interstate, and I always said I was going to go back there one day. So it's like a childhood dream for me getting to go back to that factory.
And you know what, for doing the tour, we all got the little miniature, really cool bats, but we actually had one personalized for Elias for Christmas.
He doesn't know that yet.
Yeah, so that was really cool because Kenny said that was something that he always wanted. So it's kind of, as we say in these videos all the time, you know, Elias is living out all of those things that he wanted to do or that we wanted to do when we were little. So
yeah, guys, not a lot of video this time, but still something that we felt that you guys needed to know about and that we wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the stuff that we were able to get at the Louisville Slugger factory. And if you're ever in Louisville, it's right off the highway. You can see it from the highway. You can see this giant bat leaning up against a building from the highway.
And if you have been before, let us know. Comment and let us know what you thought, and if you went over to the part where you got to hold the bats, or if you didn't know about that part. We almost bypassed it. Don't bypass it. It's on your way walking to the tour.
And it was really cool. That might have been the coolest part of the whole tour for me. And tell us who your favorite baseball team is. If you've got a favorite baseball team, comment down below. Let us know what it is. So enjoy, guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video so that we know what kind of stuff to put out for you guys. So enjoy, guys. I thought you could in here.
So we ended up not having to eat inside somewhere. We just went to, what is it, Luigi's Pizza? Luigi's Pizzeria.
Yeah, Luigi's Pizzeria.
Real Italian.
Dude,
How is it?
might be the best pizza I've ever eaten. And I was telling Heather, I was trying to read it, but there were people in line, so I couldn't really stand there and read it. Really neat looking news story about the guy that was helping us when he was really, really young. It's a picture of him throwing pizza dough in front of the restaurant here, and it's talking about how he had envisioned America and dreaming of coming to America and opening up a restaurant. And so this is it. Man, it's authentic. It's good.
Elias even loves it. What do you think? Why don't you ever talk when I ask you what you think? So, we're like in the middle of town and it's really not that busy. I was just going to say it's funny we start recording and there's all these cars that go behind us, but it's been really quiet and calm and pretty nice. So, we're just grabbing some food and then we're heading to our next destination.